Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Can y'all guess what we might be doing today based on this lovely headband? Alright, so you can guess one part of it. This is Mask Monday, but I am also going to be sharing with you my December 2021 whiff box from Scentsy. Yes, I said December, as well as the new warmer that I bought. The reason you're seeing the December whiff box in January is because I decided I wasn't going to get the whiff box for the month of December to save money. However, I started to watch an unboxing from another YouTuber and I didn't make it past the first two items before I contacted my friend Angie, and I was like, I gotta get the box. I have to. So it was just, there's one item in this whiff box that I am so excited to have. I didn't even know that they did this type of thing. I'll tell you about it when I see it. But anyways, I'm going to post a link down below in the description for my Scentsy friend Angie. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything, please use that link. She is such a sweet, genuine person, and I know she will be more than happy to answer any questions or help you in any possible way that she can. So let's talk about the mask I'm going to be wearing today really quick, and then we're getting into this box because I am so stinking excited. I am putting on my glasses so I can read this one. The packaging is white and the writing is very faint, so it's hard for me to read without it. So this is the Vibrant C12 Dual Mask, Deep Hydration and Moisture Retention. It is brightening and luminous. Do that. And it is a microfiber sheet mask. I don't know that I've ever used a microfiber sheet mask before. I have washed and toned my face. This is one that you put on for 10 to 20 minutes, you take off, and you pat in the remaining essence, which you know I love because I don't want to wash my face after I wash my face. Make sense? It does to me, but it does to me. Okay. Oh. Right, not scented, but it's definitely an interesting texture. Look, can you guys see that? It's got this netting on it. I'm assuming that's just the backing for it, but that's kind of cool. And it's very thick, almost gel-like. Wowzers. Okay, yeah, this is just the backing. I'll pull that off. And I don't know if you guys can even tell how thick that is. That is amazingly thick. Awesome. It's not runny, it's not goopy, which is nice. Ace is playing with his toy in the background, sorry. You cannot deny a German Shepherd his rubber chicken. It just doesn't work. Poor Ace. Oof, I'm talking and getting it in my mouth. Ooh, okay, so, yeah. Wow. It's definitely not going to be sliding. I read on the packaging that they used the microfiber material so that it would stay on your face and not slide off. And this is definitely not sliding off. Is it smooth? All right. Okay, timer is set. Let's get into this box. I'm so excited. Okay, first things first, let me show you my warmer. Ta-da! And this is called the Wispy Willow Warmer. I haven't bought a warmer in a long time, so it was definitely time for me to upgrade. Oh, it's pinker than I thought it was going to be. It's still really pretty though. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we've got the light bulb. They are always very well packed. Very well packed. Let's put that in. So we've got the glass lid that just sits right on top. That is so pretty. Now we gotta plug it in so I can show you guys what it looks like. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at that. Is it not gorgeous? Sorry if there's too much of a glare. I love that. It looks so warm. Once you get the light on there, you really get the warm tones. So stinking pretty. I cannot wait to get this out in my living room. There you go. All right. Now let's check out the whiff box. This is what the whiff box looks like.
Yeah, I want to say this is $30. I'll leave the price for the whiff box down at the bottom of the screen. It's either $30 or $40, but it is always worth the money. I love these. Just in case I haven't said that 50 million times. Again, this is the December box, so we're going to have a Christmas theme. But I didn't order it until I think like December 30th or December 31st. Because like I said, I watched that video and I got a serious bout of FOMO and had to get it. And then at the top it says Scent with Love. Isn't that cute? I think that's adorable. I see what I was excited to tell you guys about. Anyways, we'll get there. It says Scentsy Whiff Box, gather around the tree. And then it looks like it talks a little bit about, I don't know what it's talking about. It's got templates for something. See that? And then 3D ornament instructions. So maybe that's something that we got in the box. I don't know. And then on the back, it's got a little bit of a description for you. It says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, it was. As we get ready to gather around the tree, your December whiff box is full of a variety of pine fragrances to celebrate the season. And our gift to you, and this is what I was so excited to share with you guys, is an exclusive Scentsy bar and a new fragrance. Not available anywhere else, and I'm not going to tell you the name of that fragrance until I get to it in the box. Here's what the inside of the box looks like after you take the, what is it? The brochure off the top. Think, Jen, think. All right, let me put on my glasses because I'm going to need to be able to read this one, I think. Sorry, guys. I know you hate the glare. All right. So we have Washer Whiffs, fragrance for laundry, and this is a Clothesline scent. It's got greens, orange flower, violet, and laundry scent in it. What is it? Fragrance for laundry. Oh, it's like the little pellets that you put in the laundry to freshen up, to add an extra boost to the smell. Awesome. Yes. All right, and then we have some Clothesline laundry detergent. And this is in the, I think Clothesline is the scent. It says laundry liquid is a highly concentrated detergent for best results used with other Scentsy laundry products, which we all already have. So yeah, laundry soap. I haven't tried this yet. The last sample that I got, I put in a giveaway. So I need to quit being so generous with my stuff and try it for myself. Okay, we've got 3 scent bars. Oh, here's the ornament that that they were talking about. Okay, so it's a 3D scent circle. It's an air freshener, which I can put in the car. I could have put this on my tree. So you had an artificial, really? Calm down, Jen. We had an artificial tree, and I love the smell of fresh pine trees. But with Ace, we can't. So this would have been cool to have. But it's also going to smell awesome in my car. So it is a 3D air freshener. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got a couple different pieces in it. I'm doing it. I'm putting it together right now. Oh, it smells so good. It's just going to go right in my car. I can smell the pine already. It smells like Christmas. I'm ready for Christmas again, guys. My wallet's not, though. Okay, so we got 2 pieces. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. Scentsy, you guys are genius. Ta-da! Look at this. Is that not fantastic? Oh, and it smells so good. I might just have to keep this in here. I might hang it on my little tree over here for it. I dropped it in the dirt. Dang it. It's still good. Maybe, instead of hanging it on my tree, because clearly I'm not talented enough to do that, I'm going to put it right here. There you go. I love it. Smells so good. Okay. Now this is a Scentsy Bitty Buddy in Very Merry Cranberry. I've never had one of these before. My girls got the bigger ones that you put the scent packets inside of, but I've never seen this one. Ooh, it's squishy like a scent. It's very squishy like a stress ball. Hello. How are you? I could put this in my car too. Oh, it smells good. It makes me thirsty for cranberry juice. Isn't he cute? Look at his little smile. What should we name him? Does he have a name? Scentsy Buddy, yes we know. Let's name him and make him part of our YouTube family, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you think we should name him. I think he looks like a little Herman. He smells fantastic. He's going to go right here in our Boston shot glass. Isn't he cute? He's going to hang out with us for a while, guys. So stinking cute. I love it. I love it. I love Scentsy. Okay, all right. Next, we've got our scent bars. This is Black Forest Pine. They gave us 3 full-size bars this time. Usually we get samples of what next month's scent of the month is going to be. That smells fantastic. But we didn't get samples this time. I'm not complaining. And then we've got Best in Snow. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. That smells great. And then the grand finale, the exclusive scent that I have been dying to smell, and so my face mask is coming off. Probably because I talk so much. But the one that I've been so excited to share with you guys, are you ready to know what it's called? It is called Maraschino Sugar Cookie. Maraschino, I never say it right. Maraschino Sugar Cookie. Da-da. I just put new scent bars in my Scentsy warmer that I got, but I may have to just turn that one off and put it in a different room and put this out in my living room with my new scent warmer. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is like, oh, I don't even know how to explain it. Like cherry pie and sugar cookies. Oh. This is amazing. This makes me want to eat it. I won't eat it, don't worry, but seriously, this would be so good. Maybe like a cross between cherry pie and cherry cheesecake. Because with the sugar cookie, it kind of has that graham cracker scent. Oh my goodness. My mask is falling off. It's time to take it off. It's past time. Oh, that smells wonderful. I love it. So let's go through what we got in our box really quick. We've got the 3D air freshener, which is going to go out to my car. We've got our little scent buddy that is cranberry scented. And we need to come up with a name for him because he's going to be hanging out in our videos for a little while. So let me know name ideas down below. We'll pick him in the next Mask Monday. We've got our laundry products. We've got the Clothesline laundry detergents. Then we've got the washer whiffs. And then we have our scent bars, the 3 full-size scent bars, which is fantastic. We've got the Black Forest Pine, Best in Snow. I'll try and look online and see if I can find out what the scent notes are for these. And I'll put them down at the bottom of the screen or something so you guys can see it. If you don't see any scent notes listed, then that means I couldn't find it. And then, of course, the maraschino sugar cookie, which is going right into my new Scentsy warmer. Oh, wow. All right, guys, let me get this mask off really quick, and then we'll close out the video. Whew. That has a whole lot of serum. That's fantastic, though. It's okay. Pat it in. Pat, 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 pat. So much. As I like smack my face. Put it all the way down here then, because there's definitely enough. My skin feels nice and moisturized. Does it look brighter? I feel like it might be a little bit brighter. All right, that's as good as that's going to get, because I can't sit here and pat my face for 5 hours in front of you. That wouldn't be very exciting. All right, guys, that's everything that I got in my Scentsy Whiff box. Let me know down below what your favorite product was. And if you have a favorite Scentsy bar scent, let me know. They do have a Bring Back My Bar sale going on right now for the month of January. They brought back some classics. So, like I said, I'm going to leave Angie's link down below. Make sure you go check that out. Like I said, she's a fantastic sweetheart. I love being able to support her and her small business, and I would love for you guys to be able to do the same. All right, guys, that is it for this whiff box. I'm already super excited to see what we get in January. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up subscribe thing, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. And until next time, keep smiling.